Nagabenta ke Khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Khublei phi baru kinigilong ke Khubor bamta kasni. U Conrad ke sangma menteri rangba ka Jylla ula ai Khublei bat kit bok kit ruang ya kilat pathai Khubor ha ka Jylla ya ka bawla pensngo hadien balawai ka kinhun jingyelang kabinet men ha ka khatdu tring unai wing. Haba penpau ke jing sngongu ya usen yang jengkilat pathai Khubor kabla ai syakipat ba ka Jylla ling ba ki jinglum jingtim ya thu u Conrad ke sangma. Menteri rangba u yathu ya ka jingdon kam kilat pathai Khubor ban ai jingtip ya upat ba ke ei ba ka sarkar ka le ka de ka kam jong ka roi ka par. Kilat pathai ki de ki nongte ya ka imlang ka salang bat umau senshar ya ka rip sngo menteri rangba.
On the National Press Day, I would like to take this opportunity to really acknowledge the contributions that is made by the press fraternity in our democracy, in our country, and not just from a political perspective or a governance perspective, but even in terms of the different aspects of our sports, our culture, our music. Press plays a very, very important role in ensuring that we are able to really bring out all these different things that are happening at a larger level to the rest of the country and to our state as a whole. So I appreciate and I acknowledge the work of the press fraternity and would like to thank them for their contribution in terms of ensuring that all the news and the information comes out to the public in the right manner. And I hope that in the future also the press will continue to work in this manner because it's important in a very, very proactive country and a state like ours, a democracy as ours. The role of the press is even more important. So I wish you all the very best, and I wish you all a very happy National Press Day.